Hi guys! I'm going to share with you a recipe for the easiest pie ever. Anyone can make it. At first, we'll make cottage cheese dough. I love this dough because it's easy to digest and very tasty. This dough is also unique because you can use any flour, all-purpose wheat flour, spelt flour, or even a gluten-free baking mix. I'll show you how to make a galette with apples and caramel, and under the video I'll leave you a link where you can find 6 recipes of galette fillings. Let's prepare the dough. You can use any mixer you have at home, either hand or stand mixer. My galette will be gluten-free, so I use gluten-free baking mix. Add salt and add the butter cut into cubes. The butter must be very cold. Mix it at medium speed until it forms crumbs. Then add all the cottage cheese at once to the bowl. Mix the dough until it starts to come together into a large lump. Finish kneading it by hand to make it as uniform as possible. We should get a nice smooth ball. Wrap it and put it in the fridge for about 15 to 30 minutes. Let's prepare the filling with apple, pear and caramel. If you want, you can use only apples or only pears. Grate the lemon zest, add it to a bowl, core the apples and pears, slice them thinly. Transfer the apple and pear to the bowl with the zest. Add brown sugar and caramel. If the caramel is straight from the fridge, either heat it or let it sit at room temperature for a bit to become more fluid. Mix everything together. Our filling is ready. Now roll out the dough. My dough is straight from the fridge, so I warm it with my hands a bit. Be sure to sprinkle flour on the rolling pin and mat. Flatten the dough with your hands before rolling. Then roll out the dough with the rolling pin to a diameter of 25 centimeters or around 10 inches. I just love this dough. After baking, it turns out very crispy, very tasty, and so easy to digest. Place our filling on the dough, leaving the edges free. Fold the edges of the dough over the filling. If you want to get a more beautiful and appetizing galette, brush the edges with egg. Bake in a preheated oven for 35 to 40 minutes. Our galette is ready. A fruit-filled galette is perfect served with ice cream. You can drizzle a bit of caramel on top. Then it becomes not just a pie, but a festive dish. I remind you that I wrote the exact recipe below the video. Don't forget to check it out. Tell me how your galette turned out. This was Nastasia and Elegant Sweets. See you next time. Bye-bye.